In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Windows Copilot on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, I'll demonstrate what the active Copilot interface looks like. I move my cursor over to the desktop and double-click on the Microsoft Copilot web app shortcut icon. This opens up the dedicated browser window for Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion. Once the main page fully loads, it greets me at the top of the interface. Now, I position my mouse pointer right inside the central text area that says Message Copilot, and I click once to activate the input field. I am going to enter a sample prompt to show how it functions, so I type in, explain how cloud computing works using simple language and real-world examples. After typing the complete phrase out, I move my cursor to the small upward arrow icon on the right side of the box and click it to send the message. As we wait for a moment, Copilot begins to process the request and generates a detailed response right on the screen. It starts with a simple explanation of cloud computing, breaking it down into terms that are easy to understand, comparing it to renting space rather than owning physical hardware. Then, it populates the screen with various real-world examples, like online storage solutions, streaming media services, email management platforms, and cloud-based business applications. It even continues to elaborate further by listing why this technology is useful, highlighting key benefits such as flexibility, cost savings, accessibility, and robust security protocols. Now that we see how the app behaves, I am going to close out of this browser window entirely by moving my cursor all the way up to the top right corner of the screen and clicking the X button. We are now back on our clean desktop background. To begin the process of turning this feature off, I guide my mouse down to the bottom center of the screen to the Windows search bar on the taskbar and click on it. This brings up the main Windows Start menu panel. From the list of recent applications and system tools, I locate the Settings gear icon and click it to open up the system configurations. The main Settings window appears on the screen, displaying the device home overview. From here, I navigate over to the left-hand menu pane, move my selection down, and click directly on Personalization. Once the personalization page loads with all its customization options, I scroll down through the main menu area to find more specific taskbar behaviors. I locate the taskbar option, which controls taskbar pins and alignment, and click on it. This opens up a new set of detailed configurations. I scroll down slightly further on this page until I reach the section labeled Other System Tray Icons. I click right on this title to expand the hidden menu sub-options. A drop-down list appears, showcasing a variety of background applications like Microsoft OneDrive and Windows Update status. Right there in the list, I see the entry for Copilot, and its corresponding toggle switch is currently flipped to the on position. To completely turn it off, I simply move my cursor over to that toggle switch and click it once. The switch immediately flips over to the off position, successfully disabling the feature on my system. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.